As we head into our Learning and Transfer week, I want to pick up a little bit on the conversation that you were having online about expertise and whether the school systems that you're familiar with teach expertise. It is an interesting discussion, and the general consensus it seems to emerge is that schools don't teach expertise very often. There are some isolated cases when they do. We had some interesting international examples, which I thought were good for the discussion to have us look at how different types of systems approach this differently. It made sense that we moved into a conversation about depth versus breadth. But one question that came up very early on that we didn't really pursue was the question of whether we should be doing this. There seemed to be an assumption that being expert in something is better than being a novice in something. But there was at least one idea that was offered very early on in the conversation that questioned whether that is the role of schools to develop expertise. Some of the notes that got picked up on that were, well, is there time to do that? And then, of course, the next logical question is, so should we be moving students closer to that, even if they don't realize it during their school experience? Or does it make more sense to expose children to lots of different avenues of learning and then to let them pick and choose later? I think that's an important debate. But now as we transfer to learning and transfer,